Hi everyone, welcome back, and today let's see how to prepare simple and easy broccoli penne pasta in white sauce. And it is the best option for your kids' lunchbox. So first we'll start by boiling 1 liter of water in a deep pan, and to the same add salt and 1 teaspoon of oil. And here I've taken 350 grams of mini penne pasta, which becomes very easy for kids to eat since they are in small bites. So we need to cook pasta for 10 minutes or until it is done. After the pasta is cooked, transfer the pasta to a strainer or a colander to drain the excess water. Then on the other hand, in a deep pan, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. To the same, add 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic and saute well. Then later add 1 large finely chopped onion. Saute nicely for 2 to 3 minutes. For the spice, we need to add half tablespoon of chili flakes and half tablespoon of ground pepper. Mix well. Now add 1 cup of blanched broccoli florets. Stir nicely for 2 minutes. Cover and cook for more 2 minutes. Now our favorite ingredient, that is the cheese. Add 1 cup of grated cheddar cheese, and for flavors add mixed Italian herbs. Mix well until the cheese melts. Now for some extra creamy texture, we are going to add Italian herb mayonnaise. You can add whichever mayonnaise available. And now time to add the boiled pasta. Stir the pasta well until it gets nicely mixed with the sauce. If you find the pasta a little dry, you can add the pasta water, maybe around half cup. Add some extra cheese for creamy texture and cover and cook for 2 minutes until you see the cheese is melting. Open the lid and give a nice stir to the pasta. And there you go. Quick and easy penne pasta in white sauce is ready. It is a quick option for your kids' lunchbox, and your kids will love it.